Triceratops.
No!
The last T-Rex is in with the Triceratops' pen, and he's eating the Triceratops.
Oh no.
Well, folks, this is Dinosaur's Tail Club. This suggests that Dinosaurs could fight off a T-Rex. Close relative of T-Rex, roughly half the size of a fully grown T-Rex. Albertosaurus is named after the Canadian province of Alberta. All of the remains of Albertosaurus have been found. This makes Albertosaurus a Canadian dinosaur. And if you listen very carefully, you can almost hear it apologizing for something scarier with an even bigger bite. Megalodon. Megalodon is the largest shark to ever swim the sea. It is believed to reach up to 60 feet in length. We have one
The dinosaurs
Rex.
you know.
Powerful bite of any
Wake
land.
up.
Between 8,000 and 12,000 pounds per square meter. They needed such a powerful bite to crush the bones of the prey, or even tear through the roof. Very large. Pterosaurs do not typically have prominent hindquarters and tend to have small throats, but sometimes they have some rather ornate horns coming out of those throats. Now, if you'd like to learn more about Ceratops or any dinosaur, you can find animals ever take. We live in Winston, Texas, because everything is big in Texas. It's named after
Dinosaurolophus is a hadrosaur, a family of dinosaurs sometimes called double-linked dinosaurs because of the shape of their snouts. Other hadrosaurs include Iguanodon, Tyrannosaurus, Eloratitan, and Edmontosaurus, among many others. Dinosaurolophus is a cool dinosaur because it's one of the few dinosaurs where we know what they might have sounded.
on its head. It might have used its horns as a weapon against other predators. It's a very funny looking dinosaur. Unlike a T-Rex,
Now we can.
which were rushing through bones. Every car tops open.
Oh, that one's coming through the car.
This British Brachiosaurus. We typically just call it Pinocchio. Dinosaurs is resonating jazz to make sounds used to communicate effectively through the earth. Speaking of communication, I've been directed to ask you all to keep an eye out for any free-roaming dinosaurs that may or may not be wandering around the park. Hi, Park Ranger Marty here. Hope you're not mad at me about accidentally releasing the T-Rexes.
Open your mouth.
Reptiles. Welcome to the Western Tier Seaway. That's a shallow sea that stretches from the Gulf of Mexico to the Arctic Ocean.
I told you. I told you. I told you that I told him it was a dinosaur.
It's a turtle. Turtle dinosaur. Look at that.
It's a relative of the biggest was known about Seattle due to how recent the discovery of tennis. But it is thought to be a member of the Allosauridae group. Seattle's at the same time as some members of the Tyrannosaur family. But those Tyrannosaurs didn't get any larger than the size of a grain of
Baby.
Can you guess what it is? Did you say Spinosaurus? You got it! Spinosaurus is one of the largest carnivores to ever walk the earth. But it mostly ate fish. We know that because Spinosaurus was known about Seattle due to how recent the discovery of tennis. But it is thought to be a member of the Allosauridae group. Seattle's at the same time as some members of the Tyrannosaur family. But those Tyrannosaurs didn't get any larger than the size of a grain of
Baby. Get that black hole at the dinosaur. Black hole.
We know that you Tyrannosaurs
That one's furry.
Yeah, that's a big one.
big, sauropods had all the time. Big giants. If the predator it had to worry about the most is an Allosaurus. T-Rex isn't the only scary meat-eating dinosaur we had here in Jurassic West. Allosaurus were one of the larger predators around pre-Jurassic. Allosaurus had long arms for a theropod, big hooked claws. These could help it grip onto its prey while it used its serrated teeth as its primary evidence that they have that color. Seen it in other creatures like a little baby dinosaur.
Lost in his eyes, right?
You can name the dinosaur here
Look at that
on the
baby.
plates. If you said Stegosaurus, right. Stegosaurus is a Jurassic plant.
Yeah.
Important to point out that the animals used
Look at that one, too.
but reptiles that lived in the ocean at the same time as the dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, for the most part, lived on land and had legs that went straight underneath their hips and not splayed out to the sides like lizards or crocodiles.
Safari Sarah. The Triassic period is the dawn of the age of dinosaurs. But it too has just a little over 200 million years ago, the Earth encountered another mass extinction. Believed to be caused by an increased period of volcanic activity, it caused the extinction